How quickly can a patient find the right doctor at the nearest branch, with complete clinic information? With MAPOG's Professional Clinic Locator map, patients will be able to browse clinic locations, filter doctors by specialty, view clinic details, business hours, images, and even contact the hospital directly from the map itself. Start by opening story.mapog.com. Click Create and Publish Maps. Open your workspace, choose Create New Map, and select with Template. Pick the category map template, enter a suitable title and description, then create your project. Next, open Map Settings. Upload your hospital logo for branding. Then configure the action button by adding your website, phone number, and contact details, allowing patients to connect directly from the map. Now let's create a reusable clinic template. Go to Add Location and select Upload CSV. Inside Business Custom Location Template, click the settings icon and choose New Type. Provide the template name, choose a suitable color, and set the geometry type as point. Now create custom attributes such as clinic name in text format. Make sure Enable Contributors, so authorized team members can update clinic information whenever needed. Then add doctor name, qualifications, specialty, address using the appropriate field types like text, multi-select, address. Finally, click Create Type. Choose your newly created template from the drop-down. Upload your prepared Excel or CSV file containing clinic information. Assign a unique ID to prevent duplicate records. Match every attribute with its corresponding column. Finally, assign the latitude and longitude fields and click Submit. Within seconds, every clinic is automatically plotted on the map. Each location can now be enriched with additional information. Open any clinic. Click Edit Business Location Details and upload images, business hours, or any additional information patients should know before visiting. Now let's make the map easier to explore. Under Add Layer Style, choose Category Style, select the medical specialty attribute, and assign different colors and icons for each category. Lastly, save the style. Next, enable Label feature and display the clinic name with your preferred font, size, and color. Use Group by feature with the doctor name attribute to organize clinic locations doctor-wise. The filter option helps users instantly view only selected specialties or clinic types. Finally, use Sort to arrange clinics by distance from any place or even a live location, making it easier for patients to find the nearest branch with distance mentioned in locations. Once everything looks perfect, click Preview and Share. You can keep the map private for internal collaboration or publish it publicly and embed it directly on your hospital website. A well-designed doctor locator doesn't just organize clinic information, it makes healthcare more accessible for every patient. Patients now have one simple place to discover doctors, locate clinics, and contact the right branch. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.